Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, these two Chevy Loves here, or at least from the thumbnail, are going to take a trip across the ocean to the small country of Denmark. Yes, Denmark. My friend Kim at Kim's Custom Garage asked me, he says, Matthew, because the kits are so expensive in Denmark, is there any way that we could work together? If he told me, he says, if he bought the kits and have them shipped to me, then could I ship them to Denmark? Because it would still be much cheaper than if he bought them. Isn't that crazy? So I'm like, man, I'll do anything in the world to help you. So we got these kits. We bought them and thought we got ripped off at first because there was something a little sketchy about where they came from. And no, they did not come from they did not come from Hobby Nut Models. Mark didn't have this one at the time, so we couldn't get it from there. But no, nothing sketchy about Hobby Nut. You get what you pay for there. But we did get them. We got them, and we were certainly surprised when they showed up. And now this is just going to be a short video of, I'm going to pack these things up. I'm going to slap the International Customs label on there. If you can just say slap it on there. It actually has to be in a package, in a pouch, and all this stuff. I've shipped many things overseas, and it can be a headache, but you know what? Hey, for a friend, you know, we go out of our way. So I'm gonna cut this right here. Gonna put these things in a box, pack them up, and come back, and hopefully we will be able to see these things when they arrive over in Denmark, when Kim then makes a video of him receiving these things. So anyway, let me get these packed up and see what kind of shipping. I've got a box. Let's see what kind of shipping papers and all these things you have to do to ship them to Denmark. So stand by. Well, I got it all packed up for Kim. Hope this works for you, Kim. I had to take 2 boxes. You better really conserve when you're shipping overseas. You don't want anything that's over what it should be. So I had 1 box, and I had another box that actually fit down over top of it, and then I cut so anyway, nicely protected. This stuff here, sorry for all this. I'm inventorying a bunch of parts I got. I bought a parts lot of 48 Ford parts, and I forgot I wasn't finished with this video, but this is just a quick video, guys. If I'm doing this for Kim because I'm fortunate to live. That sounded bad. I'm fortunate because I live in America that we have availability to kits like most people don't. In other countries, it can be a little. I'm trying to get this some more light. It's like so dark over there. But anyway, got that thing all packed up because if I can help him, if I had to pay like $50-$60 for a model kit, and I could get somebody to help me out like that, you know, we should do whatever we can to help other people. So I'm going to get this shipped off to Mr. Kim Sondergaard over in Denmark. Kim's Custom Garage. Right there. And I'm going to get it sent to him, and he's going to have these 2 kits. I don't know if I was supposed to show Kim. I forget. Was I supposed to show what the kits were or not? Oh well, everybody knows what they are. Won't be a surprise to anybody when you open it up, but glad I could do this for you, and glad I got a friend over in Denmark. But anyway, guys, this quick video, just shipping these over, and I can't wait to see when Kim gets them and opens them up. I'm gonna see what the shape of the box looks like, if it's beat all, if it looks like some of the stuff I've gotten been run over by a transfer truck. Hopefully not. Hopefully everything can be intact when he gets it. And hey, if you hadn't subscribed, guys, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Don't forget to go to Hobby Nut Models. Don't forget to go to the Facebook group and join, and go check out my Patreon page. All linked in the description below. You guys take care, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.